Christmas tide on high. Keep the volume low, magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Alright, so I'm gonna get me a cup of iced coffee. I use the International Delight iced coffee caramel macchiato, and I do it with the pumpkin spice latte creamer from Starbucks. And yeah, this is just what I'm gonna have. It's gonna really like just get me energized because I'm really low on energy today. So hopefully this helps your girl out. I figured I'll pour it because, you know, I know people like to see. And it's a big cup today. Now let's just add in our good old creamer. Hold on. It's like so hard to record and like pour things at the same time. Yeah, I'm about to have some waffles with cream and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I'm gonna make that now. And voila, I've been craving this for like a minute. So I know for a fact my baby is going to kick my behind from all this sugar, but I've been craving blueberry waffles with whipped cream for like a second. So of course I had to eat it.
The A is what kind of a letter?
This is what happens when your kid tries to help you bring in the groceries.
Or is it a vowel?
Shaking my head.
Exactly.
Alright y'all, so good morning. We are going to continue the vlog. So currently this is the pile of clothes that I just took out the laundry. So right now I'm washing clothes. Then I'm going to make up the bed. And then I'm going to take out my hair, make some breakfast, and then wash my hair. So I'm going to kind of take y'all on what my day is looking like. Today is also going to be another day in the house. I have like a lot of house stuff honestly to get done, so yeah, let's just get right into this. All right, so now I got a bagel with some cream cheese and some jelly and a Fiji water. I think I'm gonna make a smoothie in a few. I'm just like really tired, so this vlog is probably gonna be really boring. I look a mess. I'm super tired. All right, so I'm going to make a smoothie. So I just wanted to show you guys just the ingredients that I use. So I'm going to use some dragon fruit chunks. I'm going to use some pineapple chunks and orange peach mango. And when I make a smoothie, usually I use strawberry, but I don't have no more. I have this other one with berries, but I kind of don't want it. So I'm just going to go in with these two and probably use most of it because I'm pretty sure my son wants a smoothie too. You want some?
Yeah, mommy.
Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. All right, so I'm gonna start off by just pouring the juice. This honestly does not matter. I'm gonna pour a good amount because sometimes it'd be too thick. So that's about 3 ounces. Actually, that's a little bit too much juice, but whatever. I put both things of the dragon fruit in there. It's so small. Like, this is literally all the dragon fruit that came. So now we're gonna add the pineapples. They add a good amount of pineapples. So now we're gonna just have our tropical smoothie. We're gonna blend it all up and y'all can see what it looks like. And just ignore that noise in the background because I think that's the dishwasher. This is a Ninja, I guess blender, I don't know. And this is how it looks. That's the juice. And then I just hit blend. And we're just gonna let it blend. Guys, and this is the end result of the smoothie. It should look a lot like this. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy. So now we're gonna work on washing this hair. I'm gonna use the Ite deep penetrating shampoo and the silk protein conditioner and just do a nice wash and scrub to my hair because child, my hair is so freaking dirty. Guys, it is several hours later and I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm about to make for dinner. I'm about to make some chicken tetrazzini. This is my first time trying it, so these are the ingredients you need. Not this cream cheese, I'm gonna let this out, but these are just the ingredients you need. I'm gonna make some garlic knots. These are my favorite bread. I'm gonna go in and make some broccoli, and then of course I just have the chicken sitting here. So I'm about to chop up some onions and put the minced garlic in a skillet and then season the chicken and stuff, and I'm gonna let y'all see how that's looking. So this is the skillet with the onions and the minced garlic. So now we're gonna season the chicken. Our chicken is like literally in the pan. We're gonna let that cook, and I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings that I use for the chicken, as well as go in the description box below. I'm gonna list all the ingredients for everything that I made. for y'all that wanted to see, I used lemon pepper seasoning, lawrys seasoned salt, Italian seasoning. I used some Sylvia sizzling hot spice. I also did some jerk seasoning, and I used onion powder, but I believe I put the onion powder up. So yeah, this is all the seasonings I use to season my chicken. Okay, so currently I have 2 cans of cream of chicken and one can of cream of mushroom. You're gonna go in with some black pepper. So then season with some black pepper. I'm trying to keep it still, but you know I'm holding the camera and showing you guys. I'm sorry. This is garlic powder. And this is for your sauce. And hold on, I'm gonna open a nutmeg. Okay, and I'm gonna do a tiny bit of nutmeg, like so. We also calls for sour cream. I would say maybe use this according to your liking. That's what I'm doing. Everything is just going according to my liking. Also going to add a little bit of chicken broth to this sauce mixture. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I went ahead and melted some butter up in here. And then now we're just going to add some cheese. It did say mozzarella cheese, the recipe I was looking at, but I don't got mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to go in with some pepper jack. So I'm going with some pepper jack. And here is our colby jack, and we're going to mix everything up, and I'm going to show y'all the end result. So this is the finished result. This is what the chicken tetrazzini is looking like. This is the garlic knots, and then in back, it's just the broccoli. So yeah, I'm about to dig the hell in because I'm hungry.